Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Raila Firdausi, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today I am going to have a class with the students of class 7. Our today's subject is Agriculture Studies. Our today's topics, Chapter 2, CQ2. We will discuss the question answer today. Our today's lecture number is 17. Okay, so now come to our lesson. We will do CQ2 from the book. Okay, I am reading the question for you. Chapter 2, CQ2. Question number 2. To fulfill family demands, Mr. Shamol started growing cauliflowers and tomatoes near his homestead. He has a 5-year-old mango orchard too. Mr. Shamol was successful with an irrigation method in mango orchard, and he applied the same method for vegetable garden and faced some problems in the vegetable garden. A. Why irrigation is applied. B. Explain our technology to increase effectivity of our water management. C. Explain the irrigation method that Mr. Shamol successfully employed in his mango orchard. D. Analyze how Mr. Shamol could solve the irrigation problem in his vegetable garden. Now we will see the answer. Question A was why irrigation is applied. The answer is without irrigation, growing of crops is not possible if there is shortage of water. Sufficient and timely irrigation in a crop field maximizes the utility of irrigation. B. Explain our technology to increase effectivity of water management. So we have to find out the technology. Number B. The process on how the irrigation will be done depends on the kind of the soil, nature of soil, and the source of water like flood irrigation. It is useful for sowing crops. This method of irrigation will affect the crops which cannot tolerate the water stagnation. Number C. Explain the irrigation method that Mr. Shamol successfully employed in his mango orchard. So what was given in the stream? That he has a 5-year-old mango orchard too. Mr. Shamol was successful with an irrigation method in mango orchard, and he applied this same method for vegetable garden. Okay, so we have to explain the method which he has done in his mango orchard. Boys, in our book, page 22, you have read this that there are two methods. The one is the circular irrigation, another one is the sprinkler irrigation. Mr. Shamol here used this circular irrigation in his mango orchard. So we will discuss this for question number C. So now see the answer. The technique that is applied by Mr. Shamol is circular irrigation. In this method, water is not supplied to the whole field. Only the soil around the tree is irrigated. This method is suitable for fruit orchards and social forest. Here, a main water channel is dug in the middle of two tree lines. A circular furrow is dug, keeping the foot of the tree at the center. This circle is connected with the main water channel. In this method, number 1, wastage of water is minimum. Number 2, management of water is very easy. So by using the circular irrigation process, Mr. Shamol was successful in his mango orchard or fruit garden. Now come number D. It said that analyze how Mr. Shamol could solve the irrigation problem in his vegetable garden. So already we have seen that he has applied the circular irrigation method in his vegetable garden, but this is not good for the vegetable garden because in this process the water may stagnate for a few times, and as a result it doesn't help the tree to grow. So what can he do? Now we will see the answer. Mr. Shamol irrigates his vegetable field in circular irrigation technique. This technique damages his field because vegetable does not tolerate excess water. Sprinkler irrigation technique is applied for irrigation in vegetable field. Trees are leaning, roots of trees are cut, and stagnation of water are seen due to irrigating in circular irrigation technique. For solving this problem, Mr. Shamol could drain water out. He has to dig raw furrow immediately for draining the water which is applied for irrigation. Trees should be placed vertically on the ground so that it remains strong and straight. Air flow into the ground will rise and root will be more effective if this measure is taken by Mr. Shamol. So my dear students, I hope that you can understand today's class very well. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.